Hope you can hear me over this angry squirrel I got here. I'm on my deck today, and I'm going to try to recreate the outdoor um, experience I had for my first use of this. It's 5 degrees today again. It's pretty well the same. I'm not putting it on a frozen table. This did have ice on it this morning, but it's 5 degrees, sunny, slightly overcast, and not very much wind. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up, and I'm going to take the lessons I learned from the last time. I'm going to use a little piece of tin foil here that I just folded up, just normal kitchen tin foil, and I'm going to use that to put the Georgia heat on, and I'm going to be using a windscreen. So let me just go ahead and set this up. Alright, I'm going to see if I can capture what it should look like when I'm fueling it here. Just show you that wet looking appearance of the carbon felt. Takes about 3 or 4 squeezes to get it. Alright, can you see that there? Just kind of changes to a shiny sheen. That's when you know it's ready. Okay, so get my stuff ready here. Zoom this back out. Disconnect it. Keep in frame. Come on, Todd, you can do this. Alright. Okay. I got 2 cups of water here. Same as before. So let's get this lit so it starts warming up. I don't know if you can see that or not. Ooh. So, timer going here. Okay, so that's lit. Got my 2 cups of water on. Windscreen around. Sorry for the noise. Okay, let's see how that looks. Looks terrible. That's better. Okay, so I'm starting to watch. Alright, so just to quickly go over what I learned from the last time was, I think, we'll see how this works out, but you really need to use a windscreen when it's cold like this. It just seems to focus the heat better, and also the other thing was to put a little shield underneath, because I think all the heat was being drawn out of it, and it works better when it's warmer, of course. So I'm just going to fix the windscreen up here a bit, and I'll check back with you. I'm beginning to hear noises, so it's 8 minutes and 50 seconds, so let's have a look here. There's small bubbles on the bottom. So I know in my initial video I wasn't sure what was going on, but the addition of the insulation from the ground, or the reflector for the ground, and the windscreen seemed to make all the difference. I initially thought I was going to have to mess around with refueling and stuff, but for 2 cups of water I haven't refueled, and I think we're going to have more than enough to get us to boiling. So, and it's not too much longer than, you know, in the regular inside, although it's not super cold today or anything. It's or windy, so it's that helps. But very interesting, huh? Welcome to the suburbs. Let me just check again here. show you what's going on. You see through the steam there's small bubbles. So I think we're looking at about maybe about 9.5 minutes for 2 cups at 5 degrees. So I'll just I'll come back when it's boiling. So we got a pretty good boil in there now. That's interesting. Let's see if I can show you this. I'm not sure if that's showing. Yeah, I think you can see there's like a red line, and that's when your fuel is starting to burn down. This red line, it progressively moves inward, like towards to the center part here, and it kind of burns out that way. It's still a good flame, like, you know, there's lots of heat coming out of it, but that's how you can kind of tell maybe you need to refuel it. I noticed that when I was watching it burn down there the other night. It's kind of what it does, just progressively gets smaller and smaller. So it was around 10 minutes for a boil, but it must use more fuel in the cold, or it doesn't burn it as efficiently maybe, or I don't know. But anyways, the impact on, you know, being about 15 degrees cooler is minimal with the right equipment, I guess. So, Georgia Heat from Smoke Eater 908. It's a great little remote fuel stove. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to your comments. Thanks.